Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe and put the notification bells on so you don't miss out on my next videos. The best thing about being in love. I'm talking about healthy relationships where trust, communication, and satisfaction are high, and even when disagreements come along, you can still say that you are in love and work things back to where they were. I'm not talking about being in love with an abuser or someone who mistreats you. I'm not talking about when you are unhappy and unfulfilled in your relationship. I'm talking about the type of relationship that you should be striving for. If you are not currently there, hopefully these will be some reasons to strive for that healthy relationship. 1. They don't use you. In many relationships, the other person has something to gain by being in the relationship with you. They want more money or more status or someone to take care of their needs, but being in love is about being with someone you care about, not about what they can do for you. If there's nothing to gain from your relationship, and that doesn't matter to you, then you are in love. I know one man who bases everything his wife does around himself. For instance, she can't change jobs because then she wouldn't be able to get home and cook supper for him. For him, there's something to gain from their relationship, and if she were to leave jobs, he would leave her. That's not love. 2. You feel better with them. While being in love makes you feel good at all times, there is a sense of relief when you can reconnect with the person you love. It feels comfortable and right, and you feel at home with them, no matter where you are. Your focus goes off your problems and on what is going on around you. When you see them, the person you love and who loves you back, everything becomes alright. 3. You never feel lonely. It's interesting that one of the synonyms of the word lonely is unloved. Being in love means you will never feel lonely again. As you go about your day, you always know that there is someone in your life who loves you and will be there for you when you need them, and that is a powerful feeling. Even if you are on the other side of the planet, the person you love still loves you, and there is a sense of company because of that. 4. You become more positive. Being in love feels good and increases your optimism in life. Even if you start to dwell on something negative, the person you love can help you work through it and come out feeling good again, which is a great way to stay positive. Being negative means getting stuck in those negative thoughts and feelings, while being positive means getting stuck in those positive thoughts and feelings. Love has a way of getting you stuck in the latter. 5. You treat people with love. When you are focused on loneliness or hate, that's what you project into the world. But, when you are in love, you are focused on happiness and fulfillment, and that's what you project into the world. In other words, your family, friends, co-workers, and the strangers you meet each day, benefit from you being in love. They get the thoughtfulness, compassion, and kindness that love promotes, and that helps you create more loving relationships. 6. You inspire other people to love. The next time you are around someone who is not in love, listen to how they talk about love. I'll bet you that they complain about love and relationships and how they feel about everyone who has been in their life. Many people are bitter about love, and they are willing to share it with everyone, whether they want to listen or not. But, when you are in love, you inspire other people to be in love too. You talk well about others. The happiness and fulfillment that you give off will affect others and they will want it too. They want to feel like you do, and they quickly learn that love is what you are all about, so love must be the way to get it. 7. There is someone there to help you out. Alone or in an unhealthy relationship, you have to fend for yourself when you are sick, tired, or stressed, but when you are in love, someone is willing to help you out when you need it. They see your struggles and they do what they can to relieve you of the stress that you are feeling. For example, if you normally cook supper, but you are busy at work, they will cook supper for you. They are willing to take up some duties that you normally carry out to give you a break, help you feel good, and support you when you need it. 8. There is someone to sleep with. Many people who are not in love say that they feel loneliest at night. Many people in unhealthy relationships say that they are reminded of how unhappy they are at night. It's a time where you can't pretend that you are not alone or unhappy, because it is a time of reflection and awareness. There is something special about being in love and going to bed together. You feel safe. You feel warm. You feel united. All those monsters under the bed and outside of your house disappear, and it is just you and the person you love snuggling up for the night. 9. There is someone to share your joys and sorrows. When something happens that is dramatic, we want to tell someone, and being in love gives you an opportunity to always have someone who wants to listen. You can share the ups and downs and celebrate the great things in your life together. You can share your concerns and your excitement. It's truly a rewarding experience to share those things with someone else and have them listen and validate them as you share. 10. You don't have to keep secrets. Being in love means that you don't have to keep secrets, and you don't have to worry about them keeping secrets. You communicate, you share, you openly discuss things with each other, and there are no secrets to worry about or wait for. The relationship is easy and honest, and there are not many relationships, outside of being in love, that feel like that. Try and make your relationship work, and I wish you all the best, and I also pray you experience this wonderful thing called love in your relationship too. Please like and subscribe so you and your family and loved ones can stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching.